Here I've got Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, and let me show you how to add contact on the following device. So at first let's open the phone dialer, and now enter the number that you would like to add to your contact list. And then tap on Add to Contacts. And you can just click on Create a new one and pick if you would like to save it on your Samsung account, on your device's internal storage, or on your Google account, and I will pick device's internal storage and tap on Set as Default. And now just name the contact. It will be Hard. Job title can be Reset, and then you can add department, company, email address if you want to do it. So I will actually add email address. Then you have all info in one place. It's very useful, so that is why I will add email as well. info1@gmail.com. And then click on View More to add some further details. So if you'd like to enter your address, important date, relationship, notes or website, or any other, just do it here. Also, you can personalize the tune. So let me click here to personalize the ringtone for this particular contact and select the one that you would like to have. So let me choose, for example, Calling You. And let's go back. As you can see, it has been changed. If you will click on Save, and if you will check your contact list, you will find Heart right here. So here is the mobile number, email number, and also ringtone that you just applied. Then you can personalize the contact, add profile picture, or do whatever you want to with this contact. So this is it. This is how you can add contact in your Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.